criticize, they want to minimize. Wake up, my brothers and sisters. Open up your eyes. Babylon want to take your energy, something you can't deny. Lower your frequency. Wake up, break free. Open up your eyes, become who you want to be. Oh, yeah. Na, na, na. God brought you into this life with a purpose to fulfill. Only you know what that is. Be positive, have goodwill. Jack up your back. Babylon want to brainwash you, take away your personality, lower your vibration, so you cannot reach your destiny. Wake up, break free. Open up your eyes, become who you want to be. Oh, yeah. Na, na, na.